Okay, now that I've drilled these small holes around the perimeter of the plug, I'm going to inject some hot water in there and see if that'll loosen the glue up. I'm going to use this syringe, which is actually a veterinarian syringe, but a glue injection syringe is available at local wood crafting stores or cabinet supply shops. So I'll take and suck up a little bit of water into my syringe, just a little bit there. Put it down into the hole and squirt. See, it only takes a little bit. So you can see some of the water came up through this other hole, and that's good. That means the glue is completely surrounded. You want to wipe this off so it doesn't raise the grain too much, and you have to leave this sit maybe 5 minutes or so, possibly 10, or you might want to try the injection process a couple of times. After you do that, we're going to do what we did with the first plug, which is drill a little hole in here, put a screw in, and wiggle it and see if it comes out. However, if it just won't come out, you may have to break it to get to the screw that's underneath. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute.